Hey guys, Lou here at Steadfast Construction and Design, with you to give you an update on the end of the first week of converting our 4-bedroom house into a 7-bedroom HMO, which is behind me here. So just to give you a handle on the situation, with this we're looking to carry out a refurbishment in line with very specific regulatory requirements. So we're using our specialist services to enable this property to be used for its intended purpose. It is a commercial property. There'll be unrelated people living within the property. So some of the major highlights from this week have been that we have taken the property partially back to brick. We have removed internal walls in the property as well, and leaped ahead by connecting the mains plumbing to the outside services as well. So great progress. Like to bring you inside to show you some of this. Our team is working, so if it does get a bit loud, please bear with me. And other than that, you should see quite a bit of a transformation since our last update. So here we are. So the second door frame here has been taken out. Got RSJ beams on stepping over here into the first bedroom, one of the old living rooms. We've taken off the wallpaper. Got one of the soil pipes behind me here, and taken stock of our plasterboards as well. Can we get that? Yep, just there, coming through. So yeah, with all the fixtures and fittings being removed, it means that we can start to add our magic and helping the property with becoming a lot more functional for people to live in it, and have their communal areas, and ultimately just be comfortable living here. That's warm, it's safe, it's functional. That's what it's all about. It's the second living room space. Installed the soil pipes down here, as you can see, and got a lot of our materials. Had lorry loads of materials delivered, which has been very labour intensive. Oh, gonna have to cut this down. This is not working. So and out here we've had
This is the inspection chamber for the sewage. The drainage from the 7 ensuite has been cut into the existing soil stack, and then we've also placed an inspection chamber, as typically you would require one, but this property didn't have one. So to meet building regs, we put an inspection chamber, and then we concreted it in, so you can't really notice the difference. Nice tidy job.
And connected to the sewer mains, as the old one was just outdated and no good to us, so that had to be updated. You'll see some photos online of that. I'll show you in the basement where that's the main house soil pipe has been connected out to the outdoors here. Just got a few more meters to go. So as you can see, this is from upstairs, connecting various rooms, and that'll be connected onto here, outside to the main sewer. Just going up these basement stairs, and this basement that'll be converted into a cinema room. So that'll be fantastic living wise. Yeah, it's not idea, mate. We have the kitchen area just there, taken down the wall, as you can see at the back. Whoa. There we go. So some proper building work been going on there. Taking out the door frames, and our carpenter will work their magic in that area. Keeping a lot of the walls, the plaster's fine on them. Can skim over that. Coming up into the first floor. So in here, we can see a new access area for our ensuite that will be going on in here. So you can see the toilet's the wrong way around. It's because previously, as you might have seen before, there was no wall there, so we've knocked through. And then this room will have their ensuite, which will go out through that way there. So we've got wallpaper that needs to be removed in here. Stud walls have started to go up. This stud wall here, that wasn't there before, that will form the ensuite for this bedroom. This bedroom has a view of the garden. Wallpaper's coming off in here, new door frames. The old door frames did have fire doors on them. However, the seals were no good, so the old doors had to be taken out, the frames taken out. We have recycled the locks and hinges off the old doors, so we are recycling, doing something good. This stud wall here wasn't there a couple of hours ago actually, so our carpenter team are working really well putting that together. I'll show you in here briefly, I can't promise how much you'll see. So this will form the ensuite. See the waste pipe there. Inside, more electricians, they'll be fitting the electrics and plumbing as well for the ensuite set as well. We've got to leave only the first layer of the plaster on, and then the electrician can work the other side once our guys have finished getting the other ensuites ready for them to come in. And then we'll go into the loft area. Excuse me while I take on these steep stairs. So here we are, we've knocked down the side walls, really looking to make the most of all the space we can that's been previously wasted. And what we'll be looking to do is use up a metre or so of this space that was previously all blocked up with plasterboard. But yeah, this will be a nice large room once it's complete. I know I disappear at this angle, but I'll just give you an idea of the shape of the room. We found here that this is where the stairs are here. We would need to form a bit of a landing to this doorway. You can expect that to be knocked down as we progress. So everything's progressing nicely on the property. Again, our team are working really hard to provide a nice quality product for a good price. For the owner of this property, I think they'll be really happy. This property is one of the only few properties that is rendered on the street. The rest are bare brick, but we are looking to paint this property, so I think, you know, this will look like one of the best on this street for sure once we complete that. But we are a long way off that at the moment. Again, where we're at, we're looking to strip the property back so we can fit the fixtures and fittings that we want to help with functionality of the property as well. Fitting RSJ beams in here, supporting the ceilings, knocking down walls further. Had massive loads brought to us with materials. We have massive loads taken away as well with all the old fixtures and fittings that we don't need, as well as the brickwork as well. So lots going on. It does look like there's a lot being done, especially at this stage of the refurbishment. That is because we're looking to get back to the basic structure of the property, and then we can do our magic, get further trades in here as well to help us with fitting it. Excuse me guys. Whoa. Whoa. And then we'll be able to get on with the next major steps of fitting all the services together throughout the property, getting it all packaged up, and then getting on with the other fixtures and fittings, appliances in the property as well. But again, still lots to do. Got all this material that needs to be put together, fixed together, nailed up, but we'll get there and we are progressing. So thanks very much for your support, and again, join us again next week. Take care, bye for now.